Hey guys, what's up? It's Brandon coming to you with Can't Never Could. Got another video today. So, when I did the sidewalk video for my wife, there's a lot of y'all that said, hey, you need to pressure wash that house. And why hadn't you done it? So, today's the day. So here's what we're doing. We're still in the middle of our home remodel. So, our porch still looks like crap. We cleaned all this off today like we told y'all we do every Saturday. But it's all gone today. One of the things I was waiting on to pressure wash the house was we took a window out right here. It was the size of this window. So I had to put vinyl siding back up. As you can see, I've done that because you can greatly see the difference between the new vinyl siding and the old. So we still got the old windows down there. I'm gonna move all that. But anyway, so we're about to get started pressure washing the house, making it look a little better. I do know once we get done, I think we're 8 weeks in, 7 weeks in, 7 or 8 weeks in on doing our remodel. So we're working on this porch and under this porch because it rains, feels like 17 times every single day in Florida. So, you know, you can't have your wood getting wet. So we keep it under the carport and the porch. So, you know, the sawdust is flying all over everything. Can't do nothing about that. That will get cleaned, and that's not really green under here. It's just got some sawdust on it. We'll clean that up. But the parts that are not under the house like that, or under an awning of some sort, is turning this color. So you can see the drastic difference between here and here. So my wife's been on my butt about getting that done because I told her I'd do it, and I'm a man of my word. Y'all look at this side. This is crazy. Look how green that is. And you can see the white under the window right here, but I mean, that's green. That's green. And the whole front of the house is basically like this, and around the sides. So we're gonna clean it up today and make it look new, hopefully. Normally it looks pretty good. I was someone that used to use bleach on this as a pre-soaker. I'll go by and spray that on there, give it about 20-30 minutes, and normally it's good to go. But somebody told me one time to try chlorine. Game changer, y'all. If y'all have not tried chlorine to do your pressure washing, it will blow your mind. So you need to try that, because I can literally spray just a light coat, you know, with the chlorine, go around the house. When I come back, it almost looks white without even doing any pressure washing. So it does a fantastic job. So that's what we're about to do. We're about to get started. Let y'all come along with us and watch what we do. So y'all just hang out with me. So while I'm getting everything set up, for y'all that don't know, I got a couple of pressure washers, but the others are gas, and I love them. It's great for on the road. But I like using this little Hyper Tough that I got from Walmart. Man, this thing right here, I know you gotta pull around. You already gotta pull around one cord, you know, whether you got any type of pressure wire you got, you're gonna have to pull around a cord for your water hose, and you're gonna have to pull around the hose that goes from your power source to your gun. So you already gotta pull around some cords, so can't get me too bad on that. Only extra cord you're having to pull around with this thing is the power cord. So it's just one extra. Ain't that big of a deal. If you wasn't having to pull any cords, I'd say yeah, I'd probably leave it alone and use one of my other ones, but you got to, so you're not getting out of nothing by doing that. So anyway, I'm hooking up my stuff now. We're gonna go by and spray all this down with some chlorine, and then we'll get started pressure washing. All this is pretty much the maintenance you do on the house, you know, but I'm mainly making my wife happy on this one, and every man wants a happy wife. I try to keep that in my life. She wants a little something, why not get it done for her? So that's what we're about to do. We're good to go. I got my little bottle right here. You fill this thing up but whatever you want to. I like chlorine for doing this, and then it will mix with the water and spray it all over the house. And I can get a pretty big portion of it done, but just a little bit. So I probably won't use 1.5 gallons of chlorine on my whole house. There's some spots we may have to go back and hit if that green is just a little too thick, but we're gonna see about that in a minute. And we're good to go, y'all. Turn the water on, we're gonna get started. So that side of the house is looking pretty dang good now. Looking white. For any of y'all do-it-yourselfers out there that might watch this, just a little bit of information. I don't even know if this is correct, but it seems it works out a lot better. So if you have vinyl siding, whichever way your planks are running, they're overlapping this way. You don't want to blow into your plank. You want to blow the opposite way. That way, if you blow into your plank, you're going to blow a bunch of water up in there. It's going to get stuck, and you're going to blow trash up in there. If you blow the opposite way, it'll stay pretty and clean, and you won't mess up anything. So, just a little tidbit of info there. So, we'll keep moving around the house. Y'all keep watching. Alright guys, I hit under here just a little bit. Real lightly. I didn't do the chlorine and stuff because we got all this stuff from still, you know, doing the remodel. So I went under here. I mean, it got it pretty clean. It done a good job, but that's just straight up just water and a very light coat. So if it's to move out here where I replace this window, you can see the new vinyl siding compared to the old vinyl siding. Drastic difference. So that's what we're about to do, y'all.
a satisfying effect. Get that down there.
Alright guys, this is going to be the finished project. It's done, the whole house. Wife should be happy. We'll see if we can talk her into doing something special for us. for pressure washing the house, because she's really been wanting that. So here's the house after it's been cleaned. A nice little shade of white, which we like.